Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks so much for joining us on Ludicrous Feed. I'm with my good friend Andy Chung from Arc Photography. Hey Andy.
Hello Tom, hello everyone.
Thanks for joining us today. Now the other day, you and I and Joy went out for a photo shoot of our red Model 3.
Brilliant car. Yeah.
Thank you very much. It is a nice car. Now we took some photos obviously and we achieved quite a nice result at the end of it. Can you walk us through how you managed to achieve the end product?
Okay. Every time when you do a photo shoot of a car, I think you need to do your homework first. Finding the location is key because if you put it in a boring location that doesn't really accentuate the features of the car. At the same time that you need to look at what part of the car that you want to shoot, like the angle of that, and what's the end result you want to achieve. So normally I will use a technique called light painting. You don't need to do it all the time, but there are some merits in doing that because you can actually bring out the feature of every single part of the car. So basically, you take a photo of the car. This is the picture that we started with, okay? And then we turn it into a picture like this.
That's very dramatic. I love it.
Thank you. And anything in between is actually a creative process and how do you want to achieve this. So let me very quickly take you through this. So we first take a picture like this. This is actually quite boring, quite dark, and tonality is not good, but it retains the basic feature of the backdrop. Okay, so you can see the cloud formation, a bit of light, and then the actual the scrubs and the trees in the distance as well. And then you go through a series of light painting process. So you can use any torch, studio light, or a stick light that you have access to, and then you just go around.
And you maybe walk around the car with that light in a 360-degree pattern?
Yeah, well, you don't have to do it behind the car because you won't see it anyway. Okay. So for whatever that you can see, you do just around the car. And in this case it's roughly about 270 degrees.
Happy to be an assistant that day.
Thank you, Tom.
Pleasure.
So now with all these pictures, and then we'll use a post-production software to actually do it. You can use Photoshop, you can use whatever tool that you're comfortable with, and then you just combine it and to become a picture like this. All right.
Very nice.
So it takes a long time actually. It's not a simple process. It takes a lot of skills and techniques in doing so as well.
No, it's worth it, definitely. It brings out the cloud, the dramatic aspect of that day as well. Looks very nice. Thanks, Eddie, for doing that. Really appreciate that day.